Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health as usual with God's grace. Children, today I will be taking up a grammar topic with you. But what is that topic? Let us see. Which topic is this, ma'am? Oh, beta. You know that every day I ask you few questions, then I tell you the topic. So let us see what's there in this topic. Which balloon shows males? Now here are three balloons and this is a balloon man. You have to tell me which balloon shows male. Yes, very good. Red one. This is male. Which balloons show female? Yes, very good. This is female. Which balloons show non-living things? Very good. This one. So now can you guess the topic? I hope all of you must have guessed. Quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the topic for today is gender. Gender of nouns or gender or nouns gender. So today we are doing genders. Now what is basically a gender? Before that, let's have a quick recap of what are nouns. Name of a person, place, animal or a thing is called a noun. Now what is noun gender? Gender is actually a grammatical term which is given to segregate, means to differentiate between different kind of nouns, means to tell us whether a particular noun is a male, whether a particular noun is a male, female, or it's a common noun or common gender, you can say, or neuter gender. There are 4 kinds of gender. So in order to differentiate the different kinds of noun under the category of male, female, common or neuter, this term is given as gender. Now basically children, there are 4 kinds of gender. They are known as masculine, feminine, common and neuter. 4 kinds of gender, again I am repeating: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Now I will explain you one by one. I hope 2 so you must be knowing, masculine and feminine, because this is we are doing from class 1 and now we have reached class 3. So a quick recap of these genders. Masculine first. Names for males, men or boys. For boys we use masculine gender, and for feminine we use feminine gender, females. Women, girls, they come under your feminine gender. Now here are the few of the example, like father is masculine, mother feminine, king masculine, queen feminine. More examples: uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, grandfather, grandmother, tailor, dressmaker, prince, princess, waiter, waitress. So all these are examples of a masculine and feminine. Masculine means male, feminine means female. Groom, bride, hero, heroine. Now children, males and female gender of animals. Yes, which are animals are also divided into male and female. How? Let us see. Bull, cow, deer, doe. Male dog, female is known as bitch. Lion, male. Lioness, female. Ram, Eve, these are the sheep. Rooster, hen. Stallion, mare. Tiger, tigress. Children, some people pronounce it as tigress. It's not tigress, it's tigress. Now, common gender. After masculine and feminine come the common gender. Names for either or both males or females, means common genders are the genders which we use for both male and female. For example, if I say, children, tomorrow I have to visit a doctor. So here doctor is my which gender? Common gender. Why it is common? Because when I say, children, I have to visit a doctor, you don't know whether ma'am has to go to male doctor or female doctor. You have no idea. You don't know which doctor I'm going to. Or my mother is a teacher. Teacher. Mother is a teacher. Here I said mother is a teacher, so you come to know feminine gender. Or if I say my mother is a doctor, then you come to know that is feminine gender. But if I say our teacher teaches as well, you are telling someone our teacher teaches as well. Now the person whom you are telling that your teacher teaches well, that person doesn't know that the teacher who teaches you well is a male or female. So such nouns which can be used for male or female nouns, or you can say genders, both the way, are known as common genders. Genders, common genders. They are basically, I told you to segregate the different kinds of nouns like doctor, teacher, lawyer, chef, baby, nurse. So these are the words which can be used for both male and females. Now neuter names of non-living, neuter gender. Now what is neuter? Neuter, by the name we come to the neuter, non-living things. Means which cannot breathe, like table, chair, sofa, bed. All these are your neuter genders. House, chair, these are the example. Piano, television, airplane, electric fan, ball, radio. So children, I hope all of you understood the four kind of genders. Again a quick recap. Genders are of four types: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine, which is related to male; feminine, which is related to female; common, which can be used for both male and female; neuter, which is used for non-living things, are come under your neuter gender. Now children, a quick small exercise for you. Tell the genders of the noun: masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Now wife. Wife is its gender. Anybody? Yes, it's a feminine because it is a female gender. Priest, masculine because male is known as priest and female is known as priestess. Next, dentist, common because dentist can be male or female both. Next, envelope or envelope, neuter because it's a non-living thing. I hope children you understood the topic, and now let's get back to your bookwork. As usual, all of you write a day, classwork on the top. Let's get started. Write whether the words in bold refer to male or female, person or animal. The king is sitting on his throne, masculine. The she-goat ate leaves from the tree, feminine. She-goat is feminine. My father teaches me maths, father, masculine. The girl came first in the class, feminine. Girl is feminine. Words which show if a person or an animal is a male are said to be in the masculine gender. The words which show if a person or animal is female are said to be of feminine gender. Example: the duke is riding a horse, masculine gender. The duchess is wearing a red gown, feminine gender. Here are some masculine nouns and their feminine nouns. So these are the examples. I read it quickly. Boy, girl, man, woman, uncle, aunt, father, mother, son, daughter, king, queen, prince, princess, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, poet, poetess, horse, mare, bull, cow, fox, vixen, cock, hen, peacock, peahen. Now children, I hope I understood. Everybody understood. Now let's do the exercise. Exercise A. Write the words in the box in the correct column. So there are the words given to you in the box. We have to segregate under the headings masculine and feminine. So let's do it. Boy, masculine. Aunt, feminine. Fox, masculine. Man, masculine. Queen, feminine. Hen is your feminine. Tiger, masculine. Cow, feminine. Father, masculine. Grandmother, feminine. Son, masculine. Sister, feminine. Now exercise B. We have to write the masculine gender of the following nouns: girl, boy, hen, cock, mother, father, queen, king, cow, bull, maidservant, manservant, mare, house, tigress, tiger, waitress, waiter, daughter, son. I hope children you have done this and understood also. Now moving on to exercise C. Write the feminine gender. Now masculine is given, we have to write the feminine. In A, what was there? Feminine was given and we had written the masculine. He goat, she goat, lion, lioness, grandfather, grandmother, peacock, peahen, nephew, niece, host, hostess, uncle, aunt, wizard, witch, prince, princess, fox, vixen. Done. Now last but not the least exercise. Underline the nouns in a sentence and write M for masculine and F for feminine. The peacock flew away. Peacock is masculine and its feminine is peahen. My uncle is masculine. Owns his horse, horse is masculine. The waitress remember me. Waitress feminine. The prince fought bravely. Prince masculine. Do you know this poet? Masculine poet. The fox is very clever. Fox is masculine. My grandfather is 50 years old. Grandfather masculine. The bull looks angry. Bull masculine. The hungry lion roared loudly. Lion masculine. The boy fought with his sister. Boy masculine. Sister feminine. Children, I hope all of you understood the topic well and hope all of you do these exercises and send me for checking as soon as possible. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Stay safe. Stay happy. Thank you.